Today's video is brought to you by the fact that there is a first time for everything. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back if you're returning. I'm Rachel, I'm a part-time reseller on eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. And what normally would be a 90-day update is actually more like a 30-day update because for the first time ever, I think, I actually sold every single piece that came in this box, and it's not even been 30 days. So we're going to do the update early, I guess. I am talking about the Helpsy source, that TikTok brand, which is Halara, dresses box that I purchased in the month of March. So if you want to see how much money I actually made on this box, definitely stick around. So like I said, I listed all of these items on March 4th, and the last piece sold on March 29th. So not even a month, all items are sold. The question is, did I actually make a profit? So what I'll do is I will go over all of the items that sold. I'll talk about what platform they sold on, and then I'll talk about how much money I ultimately made on the box. If you like reseller content, make sure you are subscribed. I've got lots of content coming up this month for you, some good updates, some new unboxing videos. Drop me a like if you find this helpful. And I personally will be watching for this box to restock on Helpsy. Just spoiler alert, I've never had an entire mystery box sell out for me in 30 days. So if you are shopping Helpsy source, you can use code OHYEAH for 10% off. It does give me a small commission in the form of site credit. So when you use my code to shop on Helpsy, it does help me put money back into my YouTube videos for more unboxings. Plus you might as well, if you're gonna shop on their site, take 10% off. So I'll be looking for this box. If you want one of these boxes, you can take 10% off too. So I'll run down what has sold and how much I made on each item. So I'll put the screenshot on the side here, and at the end I'll tell you how much money I made. So I paid for this box $126 for 20 dresses, which put my cost of goods at $6.30 per dress. So the first one that sold was this purple high-low halter dress. This was a $20 Poshmark sale, sold in about 3 weeks. I had this long sleeve dress. This was the only dress in there that was long sleeved. It was kind of ruched. And this one sold in about 3 weeks for $20 on Poshmark. This was a cross back tank dress. It was blue, and it was that Cloudful Air material. So this was a $20 Poshmark sale. One of the last ones to sell, but it still sold on Poshmark for $20. This one took about 3 weeks. This tank top dress in Oxford blue. This was a Poshmark sale, $22. And actually, let me just say, normally on Poshmark, I send a lot of offers. All of these that sold on Poshmark were offers that were sent to me, except one. I only sold one of these via offer to likers. All the rest were people offering to me. So the demand is definitely there. I had this ribbed tank top, $23 sale in just 2 days. There was this cutout back. I had several of this style, and this style seemed to have the most interest, I would say. This was a $23 Poshmark sale in 2 days. This is the same style in red. This one was on Mercari. It sold in 4 days for $23, which the Mercari sales are interesting because this brand has a lot of interest on Mercari for me, and it's not even like a brand that is in their database. So like when I'm listing these on Mercari, I have to pick like no brand / not sure, and they still get a ton of interest, which is very interesting to me because it's not even categorized under the right brand. Then I had this red cargo pocket dress. This one sold in a bundle on Poshmark, so you'll see the other one here in a minute. But those both sold in the same bundle. I have this one marked at $25. Then I had this red cutout back dress. This one was a Mercari sale, $25. It sold in one day. This one was a red dress also, but this one had like the detached shorts. This was the very last thing to sell. This one sold on March 31st. For $28. So I was hanging on to that one dress like, oh, am I going to get to do the update within 30 days? I just need to sell this one dress. And it finally sold on March 31st. Then I had, this is the same exact dress, I think, but this one was teal. This one sold on Mercari in 4 days for $27. This was a fun dress. This one was like a midi length, a little bit longer than the other ones, but it was a $27 Mercari sale. Also sold within 2 days. This one was mauve, so it was it wasn't like the lavender purple. It was a little bit more pinky purple. I liked this color. It was the only dress I think that had this color. This one sold on Mercari in 2 days for $27. Then I had this halter tank top dress in midnight blue. This was a size extra large, so great size. $30 Poshmark sale, sold the same day I listed it. This one was a teal tank dress that had detached shorts. This was the other one in that 2-piece bundle. Then I had the cutout back dress, another one of this style. One of the only ones that sold on eBay. This was a $21 eBay sale, sold in 3 days. This one also was an eBay sale. This one was the one that had the pink. It was pink with the collar and the detached shorts. And actually, I didn't realize at the time I did the unboxing, but the shorts actually had little like notches in them for golf tees. So it was like a golf dress. And then you stored your little golf tees in your shorts. Cute, I guess. That was a $24 eBay sale. I had another purple tank dress with detached shorts. This was the only dress that sold via offer to likers. So this one was a $36 sale with the discounted shipping by offer, sold within 6 days on Poshmark. I had this black cutout back dress. This one had a ton of interest, but took a minute. And by a minute, I mean like literally a minute. No, but it sold within 3 weeks on eBay for $25. And the last one was the other midi dress, size extra large, which also sold on eBay for $30. So that's all 20. Like, I cannot believe how fast this stuff sold. That was really exciting and eventful. And I've never been able to like do a 90-day update in 30 days. So I paid for this box $126, which I think it was $140 originally, and then I had the 10% off. So, you know, that 10% off adds up. It's $6.30 per dress. And my profit, when all was said and done, $311.92, which means I made my $126 back, and I had $311 in profit on top of that $126 I made back. I came really, really shy, just a little tiny bit shy of tripling my money. But I'll tell you what, it's like this shy, and everything sold within 30 days. So I will take a quick flip over a big flip any day. Most of this stuff I listed on the exact, in fact, every single item almost I listed in the same day. So if we take all that into consideration, it was super easy to list. These were super easy to ship. I was able to find stock photos and descriptions because most of these are still for sale on the Halara website. So it was very easy for me to do that. And then I just had to grab quick measurements while I was listing them. And I always take photos myself, even if I'm going to borrow the stock photos from the website. 20 pieces, it took me 1 day to list these. So was this a good box? Yeah. Yeah, this was a great box. And this is like reseller heaven, right? Like ideal. If all mystery boxes could be like this, then we'd all be in pretty good shape. So, like I said, I will definitely be looking out for more of this brand to resell. I'm stalking the Helpsy website. You probably should too if you're interested. Make sure you use the code Oh Yeah for 10% off if you want. And let me know if you ordered this. I know they had a pants box and then a tops and skirts box, which the pants box I have running right now. I haven't sold all of that off yet. I did not order the skirts and tank tops box, but I might consider it given how well this one did. So let me know in the comments if you ordered one of these boxes the last time they were available and how it's doing for you. And make sure you're subscribed if you want to see future videos. I will definitely be ordering this again if I can. And of course, I order lots of different boxes so I can update you and tell you if they're actually worth the investment. And drop me a like on the way out if you're still here. That is super helpful as well. But that is it for today. I appreciate you watching, and I will catch you in the next one.